Why your soap doesn't last. If you have been using soap for a very long time, you will agree with me that some soap doesn't last long or it dissolves easily in water. If you are a soaper that have been wondering why your soap doesn't last, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end. Let's establish our ingredients for this production. Ingredients and quantity: caustic soda 31 grams, soda ash 31 grams, palm oil 100 grams, palm kernel oil 110 grams, sodium lactate 10 ml, silicate 10 ml, glycerin 15 ml, SLS 50 ml. I'm giving shout out to some of my subscribers that chatted me up, Princess and the other two people. One is from Ghana. The name was not there, but he said it's from Ghana. So they told me that I should be labeling all my ingredients. So, I've been doing that right from time, but I thought it doesn't matter. So that's why I stopped it. That's why I stopped. But but I just have to include it because they ask that I should be putting it. So that's why I include my ingredients for this production. So if you have been wondering why your soap doesn't last long or dissolve easily in water, it's because you are using one particular oil for your soap. As a soap maker, you need to combine oil for your soap to be strong and lather well. If you use only palm kernel oil, your soap will not last long because palm kernel oil lacks palmitic acid and citric acid, while palm oil is rich in palmitic acid and citric acid. Palmitic acid is a fatty acid with a 16 carbon chain. It is the most common saturated fatty acid found in animals, plants, and microorganisms. While palm kernel oil is rich in lauric acid. So when you combine palm kernel oil and palm oil together, it will form a very hard soap. And if you feel palm kernel oil and palm oil will cost you much, you can use palm kernel oil and tallow, animal fat, for your production. The animal fat also contains citric acid. It will make your soap to be hard and it will last long so that people don't have to complain about your soap. If you are a subscriber on this channel, you are welcome. And if you are new on this channel and this is the first time you are seeing this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, because this is the place that you'll be getting guides on how to make your own soap at home. So you don't need to be buying soap anymore, because soap is very expensive now. And if you follow the steps I'm using in this video, you will make your own soap at home and you'll thank me later. So subscribe now, like this video so that YouTube can suggest it to other viewers. And if you're looking for a business you want to invest in, I've already made video on how you can make soap for business. The link is in the description below. Just click on the link and it will direct you to the video. And if you are my subscriber, know that you have every right to ask me question in anything that you don't understand. Or if you want me to make any video based on my niche, I willingly make it for you without second thought. So feel free to comment, ask me of anything you want me to do for you, any type of soap you want me to make, anywhere you don't understand, you can ask me Even though if you want me to make video on how to calculate soap recipe for you, I will do so.